crafty people, I have a set of cards. This is a design team project for ASC Supplies on Etsy. Lots of great stuff over there, guys. Graphic 45, Stamperia, Tim Holt. I mean, just tons of stuff. Heartfelt Creations. I mean, please head over. Links in the description box down below. We're going to start with this card. And this is a really cute little image I found on Etsy. Just go to Etsy and Google, or not Google, just go to Etsy and put in unicorn printables. A bunch will pop up. You can choose what you want. But on this card, what I did was I used the graphic 45 flowers. Because all these papers are just things, random things from my stash. I had this love sentiment that I've had for a long time. This is just a random bling. But I did use the red graphic 45 flowers on this bunch of cards. And the flowers are absolutely beautiful. Let's go with this one next. And I used a heart-shaped. These shake around really good in there. And that same sentiment. Someone had gifted me that many moons ago in a swap. And then I have my graphic 45 roses there, just beautiful. I added some die cuts, a bow. Pops up like that. And that's card number 2. Okay, card number 3. I've been messing around with different shapes for my unicorns. And my card lady that buys most of my cards for me picked up all the unicorn cards I made except this one. She did not think this was a good shape. But I thought it was really cute. Look, I used a teapot and I put lips on her. I thought it was really cute. Oh, well, she didn't. Anyway, this is obviously a teapot shaped unicorn. And I put a heart here. I put lips on her. And I used the larger graphic 45 roses there. She shakes really well, so she's available. At this very moment, there are some other cards available on my my eBay listings. So let me know what you think of these, especially the teapot. And head over to ASC Supplies. I'm not kidding you guys. So many different paper selections, inks, paints, so much fun stuff. Whether you're into paper crafting, whether you're into mixed media, there are stuff over there for you. Purchases over $75 are eligible for free shipping. If you sign up for their newsletter, you get a 10% off coupon every single month. And there are prizes and giveaways on the Facebook page. So check it all out. Links in the description box down below. Guys, your one-stop crafty shop. It's great. ASC Supplies on Etsy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye.